Order for me, my Obibia Aquaba. Edeba, your program is so and then so. And then, Obibeka say, April Fool. And then I'm going straight to the point. I'm going straight to the point. You can't April Fool. What does it mean? A year then April, a year fool. Once you can't, if you are more fast, and you can't April Fool, or now. But ye nim baby kun April no, a 5 year be ye fool. Maybe Papa Sokota, Ebisa, Simbi say. April, or baby say April, what you gay, Obeka say derby. April, Sabio, what did you attempt? Obeka say derby. April, Sabio, Obeka where we are, Obeka say derby. So April, near shade, a then April be ye fool. Not just say you be because say Yankopon the creative April. Say a mayor month, dear, a day April, a be fool. And no one some name no ever canon. And tis a washamia. Who bet me a share video no. Share a nipper as assassin I eternal. A dear beer ye be and ye baby waconta. No crana make a trono. A dear beer ye be and ye baby waconta. And ya dear baby be near for a more decay. Etina me no this uncle Moe, me no cast assembly. Nipa gusu sua de ko nanim abra ebere ko nanim na nipa gusu ye den esua de now eyede na April be ye fu yenko straight to the point according to Nyankopon akese wo boss ro nya ase no Nyankopon akese obo ne niam no hye wo hye nda wo hye bosome no hye mfie no according to Bible no April na 4th month of the year. According to Bible, April is the 1st month of the year. Now a year then April, a cocoa 4th month of the year. I don't know if I can want some year. No much the year April, and you baby, at April say you fool. I know when you want to be. And April for us for Kabi, police for Kabi, soldier for Kabi, a man penny for Kabi, Obia Kabi, market women, Obia Kabi. But you never be a free adding a buyer. Young Bible. Namene we yenhwe enka Exodus chapter 12 verse number 1 na yenko say April na kase Nyankopon de ne to month ben and January and na celebrate say January is the 1st month of the year na if an Nyankopon de ne to ye ai ne nipa edu 31st December 31st December no momu no ai January according to Bible January is the 10th month of the year. January is never the 1st month of the year, but edu sa 31st December na and I say you January no muma ne nipa akotsebio yakogu asodam say ye kwakoja afe no kwan Nyankopon onja afe no kwan e wo January yankan Bible Exodus chapter 12 verse number 1 pacho ya ma wonya ama me ene yisigi for ada roma ye studio no ye ni light ana ye generator so ye nya problem kakra nta we fon fan che se na ya anya na Yama FM but me pese me bie wani kakra bi me bie niam bi so kakra e de kire na hu se de ete e pa cho kan Bible ni yenko
Exodus 12 verse 1
Exodus 12 verse number 1
again can say na radi ka che Moses ni ro
ti o awrade Nyankopon o boss ro nya saase o ka kire Moses ni Aaron ewo Misrim asase so say mfa bosumi ya mi be ya mamu yi eno na mo mfa nye den enya bosumi ni ti na mo afi no mu ni nyina no sa afi we a me bosumi we a me kan ho asami enya afi no mu bosumi a edi kan enti yenko hwe say Nyankopon kan sa asam ne kire wo bosumi ben e wo yidi ma wo Exodus chapter 13 verse number 4
Exodus 13:4
verse 4
Bosumia edikan.
Bosumia edikan.
Any bosumia abi.
Any bosumia no bosumia Israel for friend Abib.
Any oforisu.
Wo de ba ye twi mu a ya friend said den oforisu obia wa ye twi bia wo school bia na say obia wa tena fie tete no mo che ye twi wo school na dia bia obia nim so oforisu ye April. The month of April. And ye de ba twi mu a ye friend oforisu. Enti se Nyankopon ka che Israel for say bosumi a edikan a me di ma mo se mo fanye mo afin bosumi edikan no say ye April anaso for isuo dia e ye den and the 1st month of the year abedane 4th month of the year e ya sembisa e de maga na so fo nyina me papa poso ko be ka kire say 1st month of the year abedane 4th month of the year dia nche to be den inside den aka na sinka uradi dinda obi de nsa aka so obi de nsa aka dia na wo a wo na wuti ba bia wo celebrate no wo ye ne den dansem na wo ka kire obi dansem na se bi o daache se urade to nsa frɛ wo no obi sa wo say eye den na me the 1st month of the year eto April Now we na bonten and first April ya make am wasem and a new year according to Bible obi a ukura phone sisia bia opa gogo Israel sisia and the first month of the year and then new year and nipa bi na abejira nyima bi akira kwan and ama and a Christopher ya jiajira ye nim ne nyame pe yanko Bible na mu biem yanko Esther. The book of Esther, chapter 3, verse number 7. Ni yanko he say, bosumia edikan, nyanko pon de ne to hefa. Kan Bible?
Esther 3:7.
Esther 3, verse number 7.
Say bosumia edikan.
Bosumia edikan.
Any bosumi Nisan.
Bosume no Israel friend Abiba na say Nisan.
Any oforisu.
Wo de boye ye twima. Bible say a friend is sadan. Oforisu. Until you the first month of the year. What better than the fourth month of the year? Then na your friend mom say you fool. And think an muma your first April na ka say Christopher. You may need down. And the woman ka your first April na I will say Christopher. You may need to say Nyankopon ya doma ma abosome no akwa sa be to ye biem. Amen na abe first month of the year no. Sa mere bom and ye mom ye nam krom ye April fool. So for be afre obi no adada no obi afre ni nua no adada. Say bi obi de ye no krom here. Se mi nsuro na me kan se bi Onyankopon ti asase so kura enka nipa be frɛ na ye na prifu wo hihye mrama wo mba e wo fie na so mo ye saade ewu ebe ye ode enye ode enti adenti ena Nyankopon mra wa hihye ye de saa first month of the year Bible say Nyankopon de to April after January na ye celebrate as the first month of the year no yenko Bible mi yenko ye say January Nyankopon de ne to hefa Esther chapter 2 verse number 16.
Esther 2:16.
Can Bible?
Now the Esther call hina Lazarus.
See, Bible say, yet Esther call hina Lazarus in chain.
Na him.
E wona him fie. Bosumi etosu ahe. Bosumi etosu du. Bosumi ye nim bosumi ni din. Bible na ka say Bible mention bosumi no. Bosumi etosu du the 10th month of the year. Can you?
I ne bosumi tebet.
Bosumi ni Bible says Israel for friend tebet.
I say opepon.
Bible say et se den. Opepon ye course man kire so opepon ye January openi ajekum ane mpenifo amotile am ye twi mu na mo kire so opepon ye January. And according to the Bible says January a 10th month of the year there a then January better than the first month of the year a Christopher ma ye ni na ho na nipa bi adada nipa e nipa bi e de niema bi adada nipa atani Nyankopon niema ani afi me ba be kire o de ye ya first month of the year abedani January na April na ye first month of the year no emum abedani fourth month of the year yenya ye the history of Roman me can Roman I'm not talking about Roman Catholic Church say me ye bibi and I want to mention Roman Catholic Church I will mention it I'm not afraid nimum I'm talking about the Roman Empire according to Bible na bra Roman for bad power by the year 321 AD and no bad power no na Bible di ka show mo nkom Daniel chapter 7 verse number 25 Bible say man fama no nka onkontem Daniel chapter 7 verse number 25 no Bible say sa ahenni bi be sore sa ahenni no sore a omudo omo nsa ebe Nyankopon niema ombe o ma so be bu mutirim so be dane emre ene mra na Nyankopon say omo be se ombe bu mutirim say ade bi anyame anye bia no ombe sei no enti omo be nya power pre. And yes, if you go to Rome, do what Romans do. And declare say, Sanet here dia. Yes, you have power there. We want to change something. Ya pesi dia dia bi besuo. Ni nipa be diso. Ni mum eba be Nyankopon ahi. And a Roman for a time. January he dia be ye Christopher ntimi nya fa ahodi enti. And time January. I get 10th month. No, then about 2 first. And I'm the battle first. And I'm the battle first. And I'm time the month of April, the battle 4. And I'm declare the month of April, he said, April Fool. And according to Bible, no, first April, Nyankopon na bofo ankasa, omania tina omo enjoy wa heaven no. Sa mere no, na ye nipa ye na masase we so. Every month ni say e fool. Upa bisa won say, if that what say yes April e fool no. Wo bisa da say e ye den. And the first month of the year. Then and April be fool. Who misaye? but you are celebrating it. Who the you be? Na say that you rather turn safra na so bisawa. Who be ye den akasa? Who be the you no? You don't know. You don't know. Roman for the bad power no be yes hard here no. Me the Bible na teach omu. Bible na me teach omu. Asema me kan free Bible. Enti Ghana so for ntomu hu ye. Ntomu hu ye. A be jan kuto ne more ne niema no ton aso dem. E de so for ti aso dem ka kokonu oton. Ti aso dem ka kokoton. Wa brenya wa juma no. Your work, your duty is to investigate the Bible, is to study the Bible very well so that you can teach the children of God. Now for woman go jam. First month of the year, April. So, therefore, April is never a fool. What you be? What can be? Make catch your plane. Who read them a bunko to get? The bomb pie catching and go on say, my yapone, for me bonnet chummy. So, woman, tower, but my friend say you fool because God will judge you. Okay, Bible, according to Isaiah chapter 43, verse number 13, Bible say, Nyankopon ekasa, Nyankopon say me. Mini Nyankopon, every near that's why you nyame. Na se mi Nyankopon ma ye ma dia. Wo ne hwan wo beta ne ani. Na nipa de ne sa beka. Na ne abeta ne busudie, ne edam ne ya. Na nipa di akire, nipa di akire, nipa di akire. Ewrade hu ye mobo. No fa ye boni nchayen. Na nye sei na Nyankopon eye no. What it? After me no ko Bible, me yenko Esther chapter 9 verse 1. Eno de me mo akan ma. Me no ko Bible, no ma che o month Nyankopon dey see wo as the last month of the year, the last month of the year. Me no ko Bible, no ma che ro.
Esther 9:1.
Esther chapter 9 verse number 1.
Na bosumi etosu dumienu.
Bosumi etosu ahe dumienu. The 12th month of the year, over English Bible, the 12th month of the year, Bosumi etosu dumienu. Bosumi ni Israel ko friend said then. Ada.
It's so open.
Who the boy you twi my friend Obenim? Obenim is the month of March. March. And your Obenim. The year then month. March na your last month of the year no. A year then and a 3rd month of the year. Now, April na your 1st month of the year no. About than the 4th month of the year. Na January na your 10th month of the year no. About than the 1st month of the year. This is something Christians must rise up and research. Na ye nyanye ma funa ye waso dan mu no. Na sa nyema wenim ni ame be buni pattern. Me se Roman for the bad power e no be sesa no. Ma wie me be si ha ne. Ewrade nhyiraw. No nti na nimu nhyiraw. Me a wote me nka me din ne Ohene Miracle Junior. Encha kese nkoma me papa apostle ko. Ono obi emani e na mahu sa ade we nyina. Nti na me so me ka bi a kyerɛw. Ewrade nhyiraw. No nti na nimu nhyiraw. Bye bye.